Have you ever wondered if someone truly respects you, even when they don't say it? Respect isn't always spoken aloud. Often, it's a silent language expressed through subtle actions. Today, we'll uncover these hidden signs, helping you build deeper, more meaningful connections. The first sign is active listening. It's more than just hearing words. It's being fully present without distractions. No phones, just genuine engagement. They ask clarifying questions, remembering details from past conversations. Next, true respect values your time and personal boundaries. Punctuality shows they honor your schedule. Your time is precious to them. They understand when you say no, respecting your space and choices without guilt. A clear sign of respect is when others genuinely seek your opinion. They value your perspective, your expertise, and your unique insights. Even if they choose a different path, your input is always considered important. This one is powerful, defending you when you're not around. True respect means they stand up for you, speaking positively in your absence. It shows loyalty and a deep appreciation for who you are. Respect also shines through constructive feedback, given with care. They offer insights to help you grow, not to criticize or diminish. And importantly, they are open to receiving feedback themselves, fostering mutual growth. Celebrating your successes is a clear indicator of genuine respect. They share in your joy without jealousy, truly happy for your accomplishments. Equally, they offer unwavering support during your struggles without judgment. Finally, respect is shown through trusting your capabilities and autonomy. They believe in your judgment, allowing you to make your own choices. No micromanaging, no unnecessary questioning, just faith in your abilities. These subtle signs are the bedrock of strong, respectful relationships. Learn to recognize them in others and practice them yourself. By doing so, you cultivate a culture of mutual respect, enriching every connection. Reflect on your relationships today. How can you foster more respect? Fostering respect starts with self-respect. When you value yourself, you teach others how to value you. This means setting boundaries, prioritizing your well-being, and speaking to yourself with kindness and encouragement. It's about recognizing your worth and not settling for less. Next, practice active listening. This goes beyond simply hearing words. It's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. Put away distractions, make eye contact, and show genuine curiosity. When people feel heard, they feel respected. Show appreciation for others. A simple thank you or acknowledging someone's effort can go a long way. Celebrate their successes and be there for them during their struggles. Small acts of kindness build a foundation of mutual respect and trust. Finally, be mindful of your words and actions. Communicate with clarity and compassion, even during disagreements. Avoid criticism and blame, and instead, focus on finding common ground. Respectful communication is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. How will you start fostering more respect today?